Okay, good evening everyone, and today video I'm going to show you how to turn on GoPro pairing mode. Okay, and if you want to connect your GoPro to another Bluetooth device, you need to know this option. For example, now when you already turn on your GoPro, and now just scroll down like this, and then you can scroll to the left, and now you can see the pair device here. Just select on it, and now your GoPro is searching for the pairing. And if you got another device, for example, I used to connect it with my smartwatch, and here is my Amazfit T-Rex 2, and connect it with GoPro, and now it's connecting. Okay, retry. Okay, and now it got quick app, and you just select that quick app, and for example, now I press record on my smartwatch and it's received the signal. Okay, so that's it. That is all for today's video of how to turn on GoPro pairing mode. And now thanks for your time watching this short video, and I hope to see you again in the next video. Bye bye and have a nice day.